So, Lyra and I have decided to start a YouTube channel. I have named it Scarlett-Doll Productions.
I think that's not right.
Why is that not right?
Because it doesn't even show your name. What if everybody thinks
Yeah, but
there's your name?
you're my Scarlet doll.
I don't want you to call me that.
Okay. Well, I created the YouTube channel, right?
Yeah.
And we have previous videos on my phone that I'm going to share. Is that okay with you, Lyra?
Fine.
Is that okay with you?
Fine.
So, what are we going to make next time we hang out?
Mm-mm.
Do you remember?
Mm-mm.
What sounds good? I thought we were going to try to make pizza crust.
Yeah. Let's make a pizza.
Pizza?
I was thinking of the tortillas that we made the tortillas. The sauce.
We did make the tortillas and they were delicious.
What if we made a pizza tortilla crust?
Why does she have to make so much sense?